Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to blend image in Canva. So I have two images right here which I'm going to be using. So first step is making sure that they fit the entire screen. And what I'm going to do is somehow cut this in the middle or blend this in the middle. And to do that, we're going to go ahead to the apps and let's go ahead and type here image blend. And then we're going to use this application right here. So what we are going to do is choose this one and then choose blend selected image. Now this is very important. Take note that when blending, you have to choose to drag this one right here down below to the middle, and then here also like at the side. And then if you're going to head over here, there is going to be a little bit of cheat sheet. So what you're going to do is adjust that one in order for you to select the right strength for you. So again, just go ahead and try to choose which one you think would be great or would be better for your image. I'm just going to go ahead and drag this one right here. So that should be okay for me. Now click the save button right here. And there you go. So now I am able to blend these two images. So that is how you're going to blend image in Canva.